right, good morning, idea of Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Cotto with your morning announcements. Today is Thursday, May the 27th. Today is an A day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right. Want to wish a happy birthday to Gabriela Iglesias in 6th grade and Lucio Velasquez in 6th grade as well. We hope you'll have a wonderful day filled with love, learning, fun, and all sorts of good stuff. So have a great day, y'all. All right. Virtual students, drive-through tech return. There we have the dates listed. Times will be 9 to 2 or 5 to 7, 9 to 2 or 5 to 7 here at school. All right. Pending senior items. Again, let's try to turn these items in before graduation on Saturday. We don't want to hold back transcripts from y'all, so go ahead and get in anything that you may have checked out. Books, instruments, laptops, calculators, things like that. Awards assembly. All right. So today we will have our high school awards assembly. So yeah, there's the link right there. Blazer tag tickets. You can win these tickets if you show up every day. We're going to announce 10 winners. Competition lasts from the 24th through tomorrow, the last day. All right. Summer fun run. We do want to make a correction here. There was a wrong address provided earlier. The right address is going to be at Longhorn Shore at Town Lake Metro Park, June 5th at 8 a.m. Again, that's going to be Longhorn Shore at Town Lake Metro Park. All right. Anti-stress kits are available. Anti-stress kits are available, made available by NHS. Today is the last day to pick them up, so make sure you pick those up. Make sure you pick those up at the office, the front office. All right. We have graduation. We've got graduation on Saturday, the 29th, 6:30 p.m., Circuit of the Americas, Germania Amphitheater. Again, that's Circuit of the Americas, Germania Amphitheater at 6:30 p.m. We will be streaming it live on Facebook, so congratulations to our class of 2021. We are having a polo collection drive. We are calling all of our Bulldogs to consider donating their gently used polos to help their fellow students out. You can donate them to Miss Williams between now and tomorrow, last day of school. All right. Stay connected. You can follow us on Instagram or Facebook to keep up with updates throughout the summer. Questions, you can hit us up at that number during normal school hours today and tomorrow. And then follow us there on Facebook as well. Remember, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one tells you today, remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. Have a great day, Bulldogs. It's time for Move This World.